no, he's 80, ma'am. Of course, pag 80 ka, you have like ailments, a lot of ailments, no? Sakit ng likod, may diabetes. So, I think it's yung mga normal ailments for an 80-year-old. Hindi naman yung something that we have to really worry about.
Yeah, sa RTL News sa Netherlands.
But for an 80-year-old, he is pretty strong.
Yeah.
Minsan, nakipag-racing pa siya sa tungkod niya. So, he's fine.
It's fine. That is okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Kim.
Okay, nandito na po si Ma'am Kitty.
Welcome daw.
Ang mic. Kim, pwede magpa-mic muna.
Nakita po kayo at know how ang tao. We know we cannot discuss what you discussed with your father. No? But how is he? Specifically po, ma'am, the court, of course, canceled the confirmation because he's not fit to stand trial. So we want to know how is he physically and otherwise, no?
So obviously, I cannot delve into that. I'd like to reiterate, no, that we were advised to refrain from sharing information about our visits with him. But all I can assure you is that he is alive and well, and it was a very heartwarming visit.
Okay, heartwarming visit, yeah.
As I left, I told him na, ayun, I'm talking about more of me lang, no, what I said to him. So I just told him na, you know, that I don't think you realize how much more I love myself knowing that I'm molded in your likeness. I just told him how proud I am to, you know, to have been raised by him. And then he was happy. We bid each other goodbye with hugs and kisses. And then ayun, he went off.
But he seems healthy
Yes.
and strong.
Yes.
No reason for anyone to worry about him.
No reason to worry about it. Ayun, as I said, I cannot discuss further.
Okay. So,
Can I ask one question? Kit, on a different matter, there seems to be a lot of effort right now to impugn your family, no? To be involved in all whatever controversy, just as a Duterte, as Veronica Kitty Duterte. How do you feel with all of this effort? I know it's a little bit political.
No, they can keep trying. Malinis yung konsensya eh. Ganun talaga yan. Problema ng North, Duterte yung dadalhin na pangalan. So, it's something we were prepared for, I guess. For our name to be dragged wherever in whatever issue. So, I think the best we can do is, you know, hope for the best and, you know, prepare for the worst.
Kit, do you have a message to all of those supporters right now? Because the confirmation of charges hearing were postponed, but still supporters, I believe, will still come here with respect to mga prepared na mga events. What's your message to the supporters of your father?
Yes, to those supporters, no, who still plan on coming here. Of course, I cannot tell you not to come kung gusto niya talaga. But ayun, I would just like to extend my heartfelt and everlasting gratitude to all of you for sticking it through until now. It's been 5 months.
Almost 6 months.
Almost 6 months, half a year. So it's a pretty long time, and for, you know, hindi naman nila nakakasama si PRD on the daily, but you know, that amount of support, of course, it's overwhelming now. Wow, there are people who love him and respect him this much. So as his daughter, who also loves him dearly, I would like to thank you, and that this is something that as a family we would never ever forget.
Will you still be here 19 to 23?
I'm not sure, parang hindi na attorney kasi ayun, for the rallies.
Yes.
So I think that by that time the grandchildren will be taking over. That is VM Rigo, there's Kong Omar, and there's Isabel.
Kit, just one last final. How are you managing everything, being on top with respect to your education, visiting your father, and all the family things?
I've been asking that also. I honestly don't know.
Yeah.
But actually, kanina, no, my classes almost finished at 7 a.m. So I slept around 7 a.m. Then I woke up at 12. And then, ayun. Kaya, diretso na.
I'm asking because you serve as an inspiration to a lot of Filipinos.
I think it's just a matter of how much you want it, how much you love what you're doing, and how much you love, it's not me, how much I love my dad. So it's just a matter of how much you want it, how much you wanna, you know, how far you wanna go for it.
Thank you, Kitty.
Thank you.
Hi,
Ma'am, you have time for pictures, no?
Hi, Kitty. I have one
Uy,
question.
may baby.
Kinay.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm stay on na ko. Like,
Sige, ma'am.
nakita na ko sa RTL News that imukadong papa kay nagsakit daw pero di lang daw known niya unsa ang
Actually, no, he's 80, ma'am. Of course, pag 80 ka, you have like ailments, a lot of ailments, no? Sakit ng likod, may diabetes. So, I think it's yung mga normal ailments for an 80-year-old. Hindi naman yung something that we have to really worry about.
Yeah, sa RTL News sa Netherlands.
But for an 80-year-old, he is pretty strong.
Yeah.
Minsan, nakipag-racing pa siya sa tungkod niya. So, he's fine.
It's fine. That is okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Kit.
Okay. So you have time for pictures, no? Lalo na yung mga first timers. Can we give way sa mga first timers and then everyone?
Ay, sa pambata.
Bilisan na, bilisan na. Mga camera nyo, pakibigay kay Siron.
Salamat kayo, sir.
Welcome po yung...
One, two, three.
Against the left.
Kit, I saw that somebody from,
Okay na.
I don't know if you saw
Again,
the
okay na.
side, but somebody from the embassy will also, okay.
Sige.
Okay, exactly, I was thinking,
Okay, tayo. Sige. One, two, three. One, two. Sige, tayo mo siya. Isa yung cellphone nyo?
Butang na pa mong cellophane diha.
Ay, kasi gusto, Ani, babaon man yung tatay sa
ako ano na,
Paano yan nakarot?
thank you. Uy,
Hello.
ginom din niyo?
Uy,
Oh, kalau hindi ako naman ko, oh my God.
Hello, sa iyahaman eh. Ipasa na lang mo sa inyo. Anak mo po dre.
Summer kayo, magigitog daw si Kit.
Ay lang tayo.
Ano si ganina? Tugnaw na magkukain.
No, juga ayo. Niluy. Ikaw, wa juga kay panugnaw ako. Panugnaw na ako.
Siya ang 64th birthday niya si...
One.
Wait lang. Dito ma'am, dito ma'am. Ay, wait.
Laman
Ay,
cellphone.
wait.
Dali na.
1, 2. Dito sir, dito sir.
Sige, butang na dapat
Ang ganda.
Sige. Dali na.
Again sir, wait lang.
Niram siya.
Dito sir. Thank you.
Sige na ta, kamo sa ta.
They're also from Dublin. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. One more.
Sige, go na game. Wala din.
Tanawa ko no. Tanawa ko no, sir.
Hello.
Ha? Eh mo yung papirmahan ninyo. Mapagalitan na po ninyo yung pirma.
Sige na, harap ang kamera nila. Parang. Dara. Ano mo si Tunggu? Kamera wala na din. O dito mo. Ay, sige ka gito pino. Dawa. Diba? Hulos ko lang na asli. Ate diri na yung pentel pen.
Okay.
Smile. Mura man ngit-ngit. Sige na makura.
Against the light man siya pero
1, 2, 3 smile. Okay.
Init bito kayo.
yung payong. Gusto payong.
Mahaplag na oh, taga mahaplag.
Wait, gusto payong.
Andito na yung mga kababayan natin na wala sila pala yung ano
Ay, Kitty, gusto payong. Ay, okay. Payungan ako siya.
Kitty, meron pang mga taga-UK.
Taga UK pa.
Tawa mo ko ano, stand good.
Taga-UK.
Hi ma'am. Hello po.
Hello kami.